Hello friends, today is day 13 of the magical practice from the book The Magic by Rhonda Byrne. Till now we had practiced gratitude for all the things which we had received in our lives and we continue to receive. But today is an exciting day because we are going to practice gratitude for all the desires, the dreams and whatever we want in our life. Make all your wishes come true. That's something great, right? We normally feel gratitude after we receive something. But according to the law of attraction, like attracts like. So, to receive your desire, you have to form an image in your mind and to feel a likeness for the desire. And then you have to feel as though you have received it and the desire is yours. And how you feel more grateful before you receive the desire. This is something unique because till now we had been practicing after we have received it and say thank you. But to make your wishes come true, you have to feel gratitude before you are receiving your wishes. You must be thinking, this is not believable. So, my friend, do you think how the law of gravity might be keeping you firmly on the ground when you go out for a walk? Yes? It's that way. It's not your job to think how you will be receiving your wishes true. You just have to form an image and feel as much gratitude as you can and think that the desire is yours, you have received it and you have to feel it that your desire is fulfilled. The law of universe is there to make your desire come true. जिस चीज़ को तुम शिद्दत से चाहो तो पूरी कायनात लग जाती है उसे तुमसे मिलाने के लिए. It's not your job. Just form an image and feel as gratitude as you can for that and think that it's yours. So now you have to make your top 10 desires which you want, which you had in your dreams. But now you have to write all those dreams to make it true. The first desire you can make, it can be for your life, your money, your career, your relationships or anything which you want the most. For each desire you have to say thank you, thank you, thank you for the dream house and with all the things which I wanted in my life. Then you have to mentally imagine and answer the question like how would you feel when you had the dream house? What were the emotions after getting the dream house, such a big house which you had just in your dreams till now? Whom did you tell first? And how did you tell? Then what first great thing you did after your dream was fulfilled? For this, each desire, you have to ask all these questions to make it more practical and feel it in your mind. When you feel it more and more, the law of universe is going to give it to you more quickly. All the things get attracted to you. So, imagination is the best thing for getting your wishes come true. Or if you wish, you can make a magic board, cut out and put all the pictures of your desires and keep it at a place where you can see it often. And on the top of it, you have to write thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you for being a calm listener. And don't forget our day 1 practice of count your blessings. You have to count your 10 blessings and write why you're grateful for it. And at the end of it, you have to say thank you, thank you, thank you. And feel as grateful as you can because whoever has gratitude will be given more and he or she will have an abundance. And don't forget, before going to bed, the magic rock, you have to take it in your hand or just close your fingers and feel the best thing which has happened today and say thank you. Bye.